We strive to understand. Yet the universe whispers back, could all of this truly be a mere accident? A hair-thin variation in the universe's fundamental constants would make the existence of stars, galaxies, and life utterly impossible. Roger Penrose's entropy calculation. Probability of such a low entropy beginning 1 in 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 123, astronomically improbable. Dark energy density. If it varied by even 1 part in 10 to the power of 120, galaxies could not form. Electron to proton mass ratio. If it differed by 0.0001%, atoms would not exist. Carbon resonance, Fred Hoyle's discovery. A tiny shift would prevent carbon and life from forming. Hoyle famously said, "It's as if a super-intellect has monkeyed with physics." Have you ever seen an orchestra compose itself by accident? Fred Hoyle. My atheism was greatly shaken by the clear evidence of intelligent design. Martin Rees, Astronomer Royal UK. If the constants of nature were even slightly different, we wouldn't be here. Science explains how the laws of nature work, but it cannot explain why these laws exist at all. Nothing is known about what preceded the Big Bang. Even quantum fluctuations require an underlying framework, an ordered structure. Lawrence Krauss's universe from nothing theory faced major scientific criticisms. If there are laws, must there not also be a lawgiver? Can something truly come from absolutely nothing? David Berlinski. Every time science thinks it explains everything, a deeper mystery reveals itself. Stephen Hawking. Why is there something rather than nothing? That is a question science cannot answer. DNA carries more information in a teaspoonful than all the books in the world combined. A single gram of DNA can store 215 petabytes of data. Have you ever seen a book write itself without an author? Antony Flew, a former leading atheist, once said, "The DNA evidence points powerfully to an intelligent source." Some suggest there are countless universes and we simply live in a lucky one. There is no direct experimental evidence for multiverses. Should we accept unprovable theories as scientific facts? Brian Greene, a physicist, has noted, testing the multiverse hypothesis may forever lie beyond our reach. Mathematical patterns are embedded everywhere, as if our universe were the output of some cosmic code. Max Tegmark proposes that the universe itself is a mathematical structure. Can a computer program exist without a programmer? Neil deGrasse Tyson has speculated the probability that we live in a simulation could be over 50%. Truth may hide between the lines of science textbooks, or it may sing quietly in the whispers of the stars. When you gaze into the night sky, do you really see just emptiness?